Hello friends, I am Shubhangi. In today's session, we are going to learn what are the new features introduced in MVC 5 by the Microsoft. The MVC 5 is released in year 2013. Before proceeding to the features, we just learn how to identify the version of MVC is using in a project. So we should have to go to the Solution Explorer, then our web application project, and before that, go to the references. Inside the references, we're having the system.web.mvc reference. Just right click on that and go to the properties. And here in the version section, we're having a 5.2.7.0. Yeah, this is the latest version of the Microsoft is released currently. Okay, so in the next step, we're going to learn what are the new features introduced in the MVC. So the new features are listed are as the authentication filters, bootstrap support, then scaffolding, ASP.NET identity, and attribute routing. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to learn these features one by one and briefly. Thank you for watching.